Here's a Dayton brand Lakewood box fan. I got this at the same thrift store I got my TK fan, that 9-inch coup horn, that deal fan right there, as well as my Lakewood 3rd gen box fan. And this one wasn't in the best of shape when I found it. The cord was breaking off right there where it was housing, but I was able to fix that. And it was only $5, so I figured why the heck not. It's not in the best of shape, but these Dayton fans are built like tanks, so it still works fine. It's missing a piece of the grill right there, and the grill's a little yellowed, but that's no biggie. Oh, it's also missing these 2 screws. But I've always wanted one of these fans because I like that Dayton badge. And also the speed selectors. Looks pretty cool. And there's the back. This grill's kind of yellowed too, and it's missing some more pieces. And there's the motor, which you can maybe see. It says, my camera will focus. Well, I guess it's not going to focus, but it says Lakewood Engineering and Manufacturing Company. And this thing is heavy. Oh, and like all Dayton fans, it has a ground cord, of course. He's also had the 1st gen blades. This one has the 2nd gen. But anyway, I'll turn it on now. It's 3 speeds, and it has that classic Lakewood startup sound. And there's my Lakewood Dayton box fan. Thanks for watching.